Hello guys, Neapel Times here with a really special video, because today I am unboxing the 10.5-inch iPad Pro in space gray. I'm so excited. So yeah, without ado, let's get to it. Okay, so here is the machine itself. So, well, at the front you see that iPad Pro. And I got the 56 gigabyte version with only Wi-Fi, so that's nice. So we're going to open it. It doesn't have an easy opener or anything, so we will have to cut through here and through here carefully, and through here, and it's open. So now we will flip it and let it go down. Well, the plastic is off, and well, it doesn't actually have to do a bit of force. Tolerances are tight here. It's slowly falling. I'm pretty sure it should fall with its own weight, but it doesn't for some reason. So we'll just pull. Heck. And there it is. Are you ready? I'm not sure if I am. Wow. So we move this aside, and this is it. And this is the engraving I did on it. Focus. There is always one more thing. Tribute to Steve Jobs. So yeah, of course the Apple logo, iPad, and the camera. I'm pretty excited with the camera. So yeah, we will leave this for the last, but first we will see the rest of the content. So again, designed by Apple in California. Anything new here? And wow, actually a lot of papers. Oh, these are not papers. So, welcome cards explaining you the basics, warranty information in several languages, and of course the Apple stickers. So, put this back in, and a lightning cable, which is nice to charge the iPad, of course, and the power adapter to plug it into the wall, which is also nice, all wrapped in plastic. We'll remove this, well, actually not now. And that's pretty much it. So, well, it's got here the little hole for the camera that sticks out a little bit, and that's it. I think I don't have anything else to show you. Just kidding. Here is the iPad. We will have to remove the plastic. Too bad, I don't want. So it's actually quite light. I come from an iPad 2. That was quite heavy. So yeah, here's this smart connector. And well, I think it's time to take all this lid off. And it slides right off. Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. The aluminum in space black, pretty nice, and as again quite light. Wow. You ready for the 120 Hz? Boom. Apple logo here. So actually let me set this up and the initial process and all that. Hello, hi, how are you? So yep, I will set this up and we'll see the review. So, hello here. Oh, not anymore, slide to unlock. So we'll choose the language, the region. I'm gonna select it in Spanish, sorry about that. The Wi-Fi. It's activating the iPad. It might take a few minutes. And boom, activated. I'm gonna activate the location, activate Touch ID of course. This thing is so fluid, so fluid. The 120 Hz are clearly noticeable. So here's the code, and it's actually really easy to hold this with only one hand, as opposed to the iPad Pro. Also, I mean the iPad 2. I'm gonna configure it as a new iPad, and of course the Apple ID. So it is actually stuck here in the Apple ID for some unknown reason for me. I did put the code, but it doesn't work. Don't know why again. So finally I did get it to work. It's setting everything up and should be done in a few seconds. Apple Pay, I'll set this up. So set up Hey Siri, share with Apple, share with developers, the true tone, and here it is. Welcome to your iPad. Thank you very much, Mr. iPad, and begin. So here is the iPad wall. Control center here, and it's actually really easy to notice the 120 Hz. Oh my god. This is so fast. Okay, allow. Wow, this is crazy, man. Wow. I have never had such a fast device in my hands, like ever. So yes, so this has been the unboxing. In a few days, or actually a little over a week, I will post a review. So let me check on all this, try the speakers out and all of that, and yep, stay tuned for the review. Okay, so this has been my unboxing of the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. I hope you enjoyed it as much watching it as much as I did filming it. And if you liked it, stay tuned because I have many more unboxings of iPad Pro related things that will be coming in the next few days. So yeah, subscribe down below and click that bell button to not miss any of those. Also follow me on my Instagram account where I post many pictures and news about Apple. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.